Well, hello guys, and here today at the Rusty Glove Box, what we're going to be doing today is a friend of mine brought his El Camino over, and it's got a Quadrajet on it. He was having a little trouble with it. I was going to look at it and see if I couldn't help him with it. What it had is he didn't think it had any 4-barrel whenever he did a full pedal and made it kick down. Well, it just kind of bogged on him, didn't have enough power. So we were going to check out a few things and see how this goes. And it's a very nice truck. I had one just almost exactly like it just a few years ago and really liked that truck. But it's got the cowl induction hood, and these El Caminos, they make good looking vehicles. So what we're going to do is we're going to get under the hood and we're going to see how come it's not getting into the 4 barrels. Well, the first thing that I was looking at was this servo, and I saw that he replaced it, and so I had a pretty good feeling that the servo was in good shape. But when I looked at it, he had it hooked up to this port right here that has I now put the little rubber cap on it. I disconnected the servo. All right, where that vacuum line should have gone is up here, where it had like a little vacuum thermostatic switch. You'd have a vacuum source going to that switch, and then it would have the vacuum line going to this switch or a vacuum pot. And what they've done is just over a period of time is that they have eliminated that thermostatic switch, and they just thought to plug it in here. But what that does is that puts full vacuum to this. And if you try to do a heavy acceleration, it won't allow the top plate to open up on the 4 barrels. So that was one problem that they had. The next problem that they had is that he didn't have any power on his electric choke, and he had it, and it was staying in the position to where this pin right here, that little pawl, would stay in that position. All right, when that pawl stayed in that position, because of the way they had the choke adjusted and all that, that pawl stayed in that position. It would not open the back 2 barrels. So after getting the power to the electric choke and making sure that there wasn't any vacuum to that back vacuum pot back there, and getting the distributor connected to the correct port up front, seems like everything is working great right now. It's about 60 degrees, so we've got a little bit of pressure on this choke plate up here, but not very much. But anyway, this is looking a lot better. Well, so anyway, guys, 3 things to check if you got a Quadrajet, you know, that won't go into the 4 barrels. Make sure that your choke electric choke is adjusted correctly. Make sure that that wire is getting power to it to power the choke. Make sure that that little stop that physically blocks the bottom 4 barrels from opening, make sure that that's not stuck or is inoperative for some reason, and make sure that that vacuum pot that has the linkage that holds the top Quadrajet 4-barrel flaps, holds them shut. The reason why it has those mechanical components is to keep the 4 barrels from opening up when the engine is cold. So anyway, be sure and check those few things. A lot of times that'll get you going. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.